In this video, I'll show you how to pin a post on your Facebook page so it stays at the top of your page for everyone to see. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu, then tap Pages and select the page you want to manage. Once your page opens, scroll through your posts and find the post that you want to pin to the top. After you find the post, tap the three dots in the top corner of that post. A menu will appear with several options. From the list, tap Pin to Top. Once you select this option, the post will automatically move to the top of your page and stay there so visitors can easily see it. This is useful if you want to highlight an important update, announcement, or promotional post for your audience. If you ever want to remove it from the top later, simply open the pin post again, tap the three dots, and select Unpin from top. That's how you can pin a post on your Facebook page using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.